My name's Lisa Corral, and I work in the domestic violence unit as a victim witness advocate. And in our unit, we have 4 advocates that work specifically with domestic violence crime. And what we do is we provide advocacy and support services to victims and their families throughout the criminal court process. A lot of our interactions, we actually initiate the service, and we're calling out to our domestic violence victims in cases that we have filed. And we do a lot of we discuss safety concerns with the victim. We provide short-term counseling, crisis intervention with our victims. We provide education about the criminal justice system and education about domestic violence. I mean, that's really important. We offer services for domestic violence victims. Counseling is huge. Relocation is often necessary because it's no longer safe for them to live where they are. Restraining order, helping them understand how to get a restraining order. That's important for a domestic violence victim. Sometimes security improvements too. So what we do is a lot of crisis intervention, a lot of connecting them not only to the California Victims Compensation Program to access services, but to our community agencies as well. Our victim witness advocates, the majority are working from home. Maybe 1 or 2 will come into the office, but that's rare. So we are all able to work from home. We do a lot of our work via telephone, and so we're able to continue working with victims that we've already had on our caseloads, and we communicate daily with the attorneys that we work with, and we're receiving new cases. So we are in constant communication with victims of crime, helping them understand, what to expect next, and to understand and assess what kind of services they may need. And we still have an ongoing relationship, like I said, with outside community resources as well. I mean, that's really been a huge part. We all can't do this alone. And so it's been really important for us to use the relationships that we had already established prior to this pandemic. If you are a victim of domestic violence and need to speak with a victim advocate, wanting to understand, what to do next or help me, you can always call our main number at 916-874-5701. That's to the Domestic Violence Victim Witness Program. Or you can email our office, daoffice@sacda.org. Everyone is aware that we need to get the information to each other. So if you're calling our main line, we make sure we're checking those messages regularly throughout the day, so we will respond.